Hello guys, Ronnie here and welcome to your second PHP tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to actually create our first PHP code. So we want to create a code that outputs something to our browser. So the first thing that I see most people, most programming languages output as a first code is hello world. So we want to echo out hello world. Now echo is a function or a keyword in PHP and it outputs the keyword, the word that we put in quotation marks, or we can as well use single quotation, doesn't matter. Alright, so hello world. So let's save this and preview in our browser. Okay guys, I just refreshed my page and you see this hello world has been printed out. I can go ahead and write something more like hello world. This is PHP and it's awesome. Actually, okay, so now I want to show you something right now as we proceed with this video. So I'll save this and I'll preview it again. And notice we get this is an error in PHP, parse error. You get a syntax error, unexpected t-string, blah blah. Now on line 4, it also tells you a line. So this is an error output that PHP has installed in it. Now we are told the error is on line 4, so let's check it out on line 4. And if you see here, the error starts from here. Now this quotation mark or something is interpreted as something different in PHP. So to change that, we'll have to use this. It's actually backslash. And if we view it again, we should have the error disappear. And there you have it. So that's our first code in PHP. And I hope you learned something here. This is it the forward slash or the backslash, whatever. It's used to eliminate the misinterpretation of PHP. Alright, when you're writing code and you want to use the quotation mark or something. I don't know what it's called. I'm really poor at these marks sometimes. Anyway, you get the point. So that is going to be our first tutorial, our first code. And actually I shouldn't end the video there. Let me just go ahead and explain some few things here. Now this semicolon, always all PHP codes end with a semicolon. That means it's the end of the line. Alright, so make sure if I leave this line right now, I'm going to get an error. Alright, and it's going to be on line 4. So always make sure you have this. Check the semicolon. Also, PHP can be contained in can also be contained in HTML file. So I can go up here and say HTML, and I can close my HTML right here. All right, and let's say, yeah, HTML. It's just the same thing, HTML. So you get the same stuff, nothing changed. All right, guys. So that is what I'm talking about in this video. And then what else? I also want to talk about something else. Now if I put this right here and say this is our first code. Now you might think if I save this and preview it, I'll get this one as output. Let me actually do that right now before I proceed and refresh it. That word hasn't been printed out. This is because this 2 lines here means the line that we are on is a comment, and comments in PHP are tags that are used when you want to explain a code and you don't want it to be printed out. Maybe for you want the code to be read by other developers, so you use this 2 backslashes. Alright, now actually, should I call it forward slash? Alright, so and then we have this this one here. When I do this one, you notice that all the codes below has been highlighted into green, and from this means um, all of this are not going. It's not. All of this code is not going to be printed out on our browser because it has been commented. So this is used when you want to comment a block of code. So if we can end it here and just put this, and we have our code back. We can as well put it here, all right? And all of that is commented. So that is the use of that. So I don't want to use that right now because it's going to mess up our code, right? So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. I know it really kind of mix you up a little bit, but just practice what I'm talking about here, and if you have any question whatsoever, just ask me, all right? So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.